So, und Servus und habe die Ehre zu Let's Play Mars Warlocks. Tja, nach den ganzen Splinter Cell Titeln wird es mal wieder Zeit für was anderes. Und das werden wir jetzt auch machen. So, als erstes schauen wir mal in die Optionen. Und stellen uns mal die Seite. Pass auf, Grafik, schauen wir mal schnell. Ja, schaut soweit ganz gut aus. Audio ist, glaube ich, fast zu laut, gell? Musik machen wir mal leiser. Ungefähr. So ist gut, oder? Oder so. Lassen wir es mal so. Ich denke mal, das passt. So, was haben wir da schon? Tutorial, das lassen wir mal an. Das brauche ich nicht, weil ich zocke mit Tastatur und Maus. Unter anderem gibt es ja für PlayStation und Xbox Money. Okay, dann können wir soweit durchstarten. Es handelt sich übrigens um ein Action-Rollenspiel. So, neues Spiel. Und wir nehmen einmal Mittel, da die Song. Die Ankunft im Lager.
I never really thought I'd end up in the middle of the war, but didn't really understand how. Politics was never my thing, and guild rivalries were always over my head. I had my own problems, more along the lines of acne and girls. Now I look back, I realize the fact not much was going on in my life was a good thing. There was always someone around to talk to. We didn't have to do a thing. Then one day the soldiers came and got me and a bunch of other guys from around there. They wanted us for the company. At first, I was proud of my soldier's uniform and the weapons they gave us. Then, I caught on. War's got nothing to do with being a hero. It's just about crawling forward with blood everywhere. Days of searing heat, jammed into makeshift, stinking trenches teeming with rats. So tired we could hardly stand but still couldn't sleep. Shaking, thinking what was going to hit us in the night. Nighttime meant marches from hell. Stepping in blood and shit. Herded around like cattle by dim-witted officers who kept sending dozens of idiots like me off to get butchered. All the time shouting at us like it was our fault. Idiots who pissed themselves when they saw the enemy blades and cried like babies just thinking about having to kill again. Could have gone on like that for ages, until it was my turn to get killed. Except, I got captured with a bunch of other guys I hardly even knew. They rounded us up and shoved us into a cattle car, jammed in like mutants. And they sent us way over to the other side of the lines. Can't really remember if it was day or night. I completely lost track of time. Pretty much lost track of everything.
You are now in Camp 19. If you watch your step, we will get along just fine.
Prisoners to Camp 19. Get off the train and stand in line.
Then they shook us out, lined us up, this one guy crying his eyes out.
You're about to meet the sand pit. I want every one of you clean within the hour. You will then be taken to the registration office. You will inform them of what you know how to do, and you will be assigned a post and a bunk. Now, get going. Full out.
He wanted us to clean up. Not such a bad idea. So we had a sand shower.
Check it out, guys. Fresh meat. Good to see. I was starting to get tired of fucking the same asses. Hey, you are not bad, dickweed. Pretty little girl eyes. Yeah? What do you want? Your share? This bitch is mine. I saw her first. Unless you've got some idea about taking me on, she's mine. Looking for trouble or what? Tough guy, huh? Fucking retard. Ha! If you want to check out the scenery, just set yourself down somewhere. I always like to help people out. Right, guys? Don't know when to stop, huh? You got something to say? Say it! Nobody speaks mouse here, dickweed. But if you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. We're not gonna put up with some retard pissing us off. Not so smart, you know. Coming after me like that. Retards like you need to be put down like dogs. Bet you're an even bigger bastard than me. I get all choked up just thinking about that poor little bitch. Asshole. Forget it, guys. This guy's a skin job. No point staying in the line of fire.
Thanks for helping me out.
So, und jetzt sind wir mitten im Spiel. Und er bedankt sich für unsere Hilfe. Pass auf. Pass auf, nehmen wir mal das erste.
Forget it. It's over. Couldn't just stand by and watch him do something like that. You okay?
Better. Kind of weird, actually. I feel better than I have for a long time. Thanks again.
Tja, keine Ursache. Genau, keine Ursache, lass uns verschwinden.
I said drop it. Still not over getting caught, huh? Anyway, if you're feeling okay, let's get out of here. This is a death trap. Better not to stick around.
Okay, I'm with you.
Neuling im Gefängnis. Neue Aufgabe, verlasse das Gefängnis. So, pass auf, Kriegsgefangenenlager sind wir. Und wir müssen, glaube ich, da hin, wo das gelbe Kreuz ist. Aber erst einmal schauen wir uns ein bisschen um. Und ja, wie der Name schon sagt, wir befinden uns auf dem Mars. Suchen. Plündern. Okay, da heißt, Behälter und Müllhaufen können nach unterschiedlichen Materialien durchsucht werden. Diese können genutzt werden, um Gegenstände wie Munition, Waffen und Rüstungsverbesserungen herzustellen oder dienen als Tauschware für andere Materialien. So, und wir haben Metallschrott gefunden, und zwar 3 Stück davon. Improvisierte Waffe. Abgenutzte Kleidung. Ja, das können wir später alles verbessern. Wie gesagt, das ist ein Action-Rollenspiel. Und wir können unseren Charakter ein bisschen ausbauen. Und unter anderem können wir, glaube ich, die Waffe verbessern. Achso, die ist schon... Rede mit Innocence.
Yes?
Come on, let's go.
So, wir heißen also Roy und Innocence ist unser Begleiter jetzt. Gut, die anderen Typen wollten eher mal ins Leder. So, können wir denn mit irgendjemandem plaudern? Nicht wirklich. Ach so, was haben wir denn da? Sand werfen. Da schau her. Können wir die Waffen wieder wegstecken? Achso, mach das selber. Gut, haben wir denn sonst noch irgendwas dabei sammeln? Schaut nichts aus. Da haben wir noch was. Hardware. Was treiben wir mit der Hardware? Stoff. Stoffteile, die für Waffen- und Rüstungsverbesserungen benutzt werden können. Leder. Ach so, haben wir nicht. Gut, dafür müssen wir noch mehrere Sachen einsammeln, damit wir irgendwas verbessern können.
Oh shit, this stuff is finished. I'll never be able to fix it here. And they'll never change it. Oh, fuck me.
Was möchte er?
Hey, I'm working. I'm not here to shoot the shit.
You just seem to be spinning your wheels is all.
Shit, this camp's a ruin. I don't have what I need to repair the thermal conductors or the sand pump. And I need something to tighten these bolts. And of course, my wrench is broken. I'm keeping busy though. I can always unblock the sand extractor.
So, vielleicht können wir ihm helfen.
I'm not too busy just now. Can I give you a hand?
Looking for something in exchange, I guess? If you can dig up some parts and a wrench, I'll be grateful. But I already took everything in the stock, and I got no idea where to look now.
What exactly do you need?
I need 2 resistors, 3 bits of sheet metal, and a number 9 wrench.
I'll get that for you.
If you can do that, man, pretty much a wasteland equipment-wise around here.
Why help the mechanic? I mean, even if he seems alright, he's still an enemy.
Yeah, true, but I think it could be useful for us to get on his good side. He could give us equipment or serum.
So, neue Aufgabe. Finde die Teile, die der Handwerker benötigt. Haben wir denn irgendwo ein Menü, wo wir uns das anschauen können? Pass auf. Nebenaufgaben. Wenn uns haben wir irgendwo Karten? Da haben wir eine. Gut, wir schauen mal, ob wir das Zeug finden. Aber erst einmal, glaube ich, müssen wir...
You have fun with her? Hope you didn't spread her too much. Meantime, me and my buddies, we figure we don't like your attitude. You may be a retard, but we're not gonna put up with that kind of shit from a nutcase who don't know good enough to open his mouth when he has to. So, we're gonna party, see?
Yep, I see.
So, ich glaube, es gibt Ärger mit dem Macker da. So, da kriegt er mal seine Prügel. Ja, no.
You took out the run. Now you're gonna eat that smile of yours.
So, ich drehe einfach mal dabei. Achso, da können wir uns rollen. Mit F können wir treten. Achso, da haben wir noch so einen Macker. Jetzt Kim. Ja, abwehren ist ja nicht schlecht, gell, der Kollege da. Alter, der ist lästig. So, jetzt ist er Ruhe. Und der nächste bitte. So, Innocence mischt scheinbar mit. Ach so, jetzt kommt der Fettsack noch. Gut, der kriegt jetzt seine Prügel.
You looking to get roasted or what? Take these wrecks to the infirmary. They nearly got killed. It's the same thing. Every time we get new arrivals, always gets them excited. Some days I wish I was at the front.
You nearly killed them.
And what do you think they'd have done to us if we'd been the ones kissing dirt? You gotta be ready for anything around here. Name's Roy. You?
Innocent. But aren't you from Aurora?
Afraid I am, kid. They called me Temperance back in the day. I figured Roy was better. Virtue names aren't exactly my thing.
All right, I think I understand.
So, Kleiner, dann machen wir mal. Pass auf. Was macht denn da?
You're kinda out of place. How'd you end up here?
I was recruited, then there was the war. We were captured a while ago, and... You know, I didn't even know there were camps like this.
It's just a POW camp. We're not treated that bad, but you gotta watch out for the others like you saw. That said, I figure I'm leaving. Think you can help me out?
Leaving? Escaping, you mean? You think you can?
Can't do it on my own. But with an extra set of hands. Huh. Let's go to the mess. I think we need to have a talk. Without interruptions.
All right, I'll follow you.